I think it'll be okay. That translates into no, I don't want to walk stuff off the truck.
Got icicles on the top, baby. The dump truck will stop.
Plowing, stopping. Oh, they're just sitting there.
Do you think this looks like a whiteout?
I don't know. Well, it's a lot worse over there. That's for certain. I think we're still in some sort of a wind shadow here. Oh yeah, this is the whole like, oh, it's not bad outside. Let's walk to the metro.
I don't think I want to go for a hike today.
There's a Hummer down there. No walking today? Huh? I have money? For what? Fuck no, I do not have money for a milkshake.
That's on the video. Come on,
I mean, no ma'am, I do not have money for a milkshake. Military. See that? You know it's bad when you see the military out driving around town.
Look, I guess it is a whiteout. You can't see more than half a block away.
Yeah. Yeah, they said a quarter mile, and I think it's about a mile to the metro. Where's my car? Yeah, we just stuck that there yesterday, right? Oh, it's all blown in. It's chilly.
Where are we going?
Hopefully not much farther.
You can usually see the Capitol from here.
That's true. So all you can see is a... Yeah.
We're gonna walk Oh, maybe that one.
Maybe. Oh man.
Oh, it's dangerous. My face hurts.
I couldn't see walking across the street. Just gotta wear sunglasses and stuff to be out here.
Oh, my face really hurts, baby. I hope they picked up all the poor homeless people.
Oh, back into our little warm abode.
Keep videoing. She's never seen the apartment.
Oh.
Thank you. Check the weather.
Are you gonna check the mail?
I'm gonna check the weather. Oh, I can't see.
Gotta get this lens cleaned off. I live here too now?
Huh? USA Air. There's your official change of address. Nothing from Aunt Joe. Let's show her how we get to our, oh, Valentine's speed dating. Awesome. friend, they both played in poker, also went to McDonald's. Here's where people smoke. Here's our little place. See, look how you can't even tell the wind.
In here, yeah.
You know, it's got to be helping our heating bill because we're not facing it.
Yeah.
Imagine if we were on the other side of the building.
Or in my little house in Annapolis.
We couldn't have stayed there.
No. Well, because they'll usually lose power in situations like this too. It's really dangerous.
Here's where we'll work out later on today. See, I chose this one because it could go with the stairs, the griffin, or the elevator. I think I chose a good one though.
And here we are, B30.
Uh-huh.
I said B30. Here we are.